Hi there, my name is Gloria Kiluba, and in celebration of my dad's birthday, I'd just like to say thank you to God and express a deep sense of gratitude for his life, for God's protection, for God's faithfulness, for all the great things that God has done through him for us. So I'm so grateful and full of joy. And so on this occasion, reflecting on his ministry, I would say that the one thing that has stood out for me has been the secret behind the deep insight into scriptures and revelation and teachings. That secret has been the place of prayer, has been his personal, total dedication, devotion to his fellowship with the Lord. I've seen how from that place, these great insights from God have flown and have inspired us, inspired many, have impacted many lives, and even catapulted many into their own ministries. All those things have been the result of prayer, personal prayer, constant, continued prayer. I would say my dad has been a man on his knees from the days of my childhood to this day. My dad has been a man consistently on his knees before the Lord. To have then been a witness to the manifestation of God's power and God's glory when he then stepped out to minister from one nation to another has been truly awesome and inspiring. And so yeah, that I believe is the one thing that will always stand out about Dad's ministry. And yeah, and it's something that I will always treasure, something that I will always hold dear. And so to my dad, happy birthday, Daddy. Love you.